Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, you're going to learn how can you set up notification feature to your Expo React Native and the Build React Native with JS. So, so before starting this video, one my humble request is please follow my screen as it is my instruction or the what I'm doing. Please do same as it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's create Expo app and don't worry, setup is same for React Native too. So let's go. Okay, let's clear the project. So right now, let's save the package. So we have multiple packages and I think none of we need. So what we need for the notification things, let's install. So right, npm expo consent. Okay, then expo notification. What we need? I think we no, we don't have expo device. So here is all the packages we needed for the notifications. Okay, let's configure app.json. Go to this link in the description box. Copy this plugin array and paste it in app.json. Before we create our development build, we need to configure our project for EAS build. Running npx EAS build configure does not build the app, it simply prepare our project by creating an EJSON configuration file and setting up everything EAS need for future builds. Think of it as installing the tools before starting the actual construction. The real APK is not generated yet, that's happen in the next step when we run the build command. I am using ESC command because I have ESC CLI installed globally. If you do not have it installed globally, simply prefix the command with npx. Both commands do exactly the same thing. Now we are going to create our first development build. This command sends our project to Expo Cloud Build Server where the native Android app is compiled. Unlike Expo Go, this build includes all the native modules we have installed, such as Expo Go. Once the build is complete, Expo give us download link. We will install that APK on our physical Android device and use it for the rest of this switch. So build is completed. You just need to copy this link and open it in your device wherever you want to install this APK. Let's import everything as notification from Expo notification. Now let's configure how our app should behave when it receives a notification while it's already open. For that, we are creating a separate function called setup notification handler. In this function, we are calling notification set notification handler Think of this as telling Expo whenever a notification arrives while my app is in foreground. Here's how I want you to handle it. Let's look at each option. First, we have should show banner true. This tells the operating system to display the notification banner at the top of the screen, even though the user is already in the using the app. Next is should show list true. This adds the notification to the device notification center or notification history, so the user can see it the later. Then we have should play sound rule. As the name suggests, this play the notification sound whenever the notification is delivered. Finally, should set bandage false. We have a bandage is the small number you see on message icon basically when you receive a notification in any app. So in this video we are not going to do this bandage things, but in the later video we will cover this. Let's request user for notification permission. So this is our schedule notification function. We are taking the time or the second. So here is the notification dot schedule notification. It is taking two things, content and the trigger. So content have two things, title and the body, as you are going to see in the notification, and the trigger is take the type whatever notification. So we have currently time interval and we will receive notification after 5 seconds. Let's create a button, and we have a id, and we are getting the id. If you want to cancel this notification, we can write another function to cancel this notification, but we don't think we need right now. Let's write a create a button. So let's wait for the completion of this, and yeah, meanwhile you can subscribe my channel and comment what you want and what you feel in this video. And yeah, also wait for the another video of this series of notification. So our app is ready. Let's click on get notification and wait for the 5 second. 2 1, let's see. So we are getting the notification but not getting the sound. So let's go to the setting and enable all the things like sound and everything. Let's go back, click again. Now we are getting this sound.